What time is it? It's time to snack. It's time for a movement snack. That's right, with all that brain work, it's time for a reset. Get ready to restore your energy and rev your brain up. Let's start moving. Miss AP here to help restore your energy. Before we begin, let's start with our warm-up by doing 2 forward folds. Standing your tall mountain, arms up, folding over, feeling that stretch, rolling up one last time, arms up, folding over, feeling that stretch, rolling back into your tall mountain. Nice job. Now that we've warmed up our body, we are ready to exercise. Today, we are going to start on the floor to learn our high plank pose. Let's start in all fours in our tabletop position. Hands and knees to the ground, toes tucked. We're going to lower ourselves to the ground. Arms shoulder width apart, toes tucked. Push yourself up, hold your position. Your body is straight like a pencil. You're going to lower yourself back down. You're going to push yourself back up again. Hold that position, body straight like a pencil. Back down to the ground. We're going to modify this high plank. Knees to the ground, feet up in the air. Hold that position. Back down to the ground. One last time. Push up. Keep your arms straight. Back down to the ground. You're going to push up into your child's pose. Push yourselves back up in your reset and give yourselves a big clap, clap. Nice job. Let's cool down by taking 2 deep breaths. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Great job. Wow, that was some awesome work. You just finished a 2-minute movement snack to restore your energy. Now get ready to jump back into learning. Remember to use the exercise snack we just finished to keep moving all day long.